Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves. We are from group English and we'll be telling you about the context. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Zahrotunik Masukma Laili Habibah.
My name is Arif Rahman.
My name is Istiqomah Kanita Hamzah.
My name is Nastayu Ramadhani.
Let's watching informatic subject. In this subject, we learn about how to use Trello. The first thing was making the group of 3, and those groups will be in use for 1 year. Using a Trello has proved to be very practical, and it is much easier to make. We also learned many shortcuts at Microsoft Word and formula at Microsoft Excel. In Word, we found that there are many shortcuts, whereas in the Excel does. In Word, we found that there are many shortcuts, whereas in the Excel doesn't. We've been told about the irregularities data, what they mean by spatial data, their uses as well as their utility. We were also taught to use the Microsoft Word without mouse. If we're using the mouse, we should report it or write down how much we use it. At Microsoft Excel, we have recently learned some 9 formulas that are available in Excel, like numbers, on average, if, rank, count, count A, count if, max, and min. Also, we have practical projects that we have done, such as a practice with Trello for STS last month. After that, we used PCS and sat on absentees, and we were asked to follow up on leaderboard that had been sent to the class president. And then we learned to make headers and footer. We got a lot of new knowledge on the way to make page number. We also learned to list contents as well as table on Word. Not only that, but we also asked to create a ladder attachment to Word. Besides, in Excel, we studied a formula that we have already known. We were also asked to look for set data from Kaggle Indonesian Data or BPS numbers at least 1000 data and not get to know each other.
In this subject, we learn about the software development class PPLG. We are taught by Mr. Andika. During the first 2 months, we learn about the history of Windows, Linux, and the version of Android, starting from the first Android version featuring a cupcake icon and so on. In the 4th and 5th months, we studied Android architecture and Unified Modeling Language (UML). Then, in the 5th month, we were given an assignment to create an Android application. Moreover, we have a practical project that we have done, such as creating a group video with 6 members, Fadli Firdaus, Ebim, Almaira, Daira, Ahmed, and me. The video presented the history of Windows, Linux, and Android version 1 to 14 and was uploaded to a Google Drive folder that was made by the class leader. Next, we researched which apps or games are compatible or incompatible with Android system and documented the history of a specific game, including its release date and description in Word or Excel. Finally, we worked on a group application project where each member had specific tasks, including creating Unified Modeling Language UML diagrams and designing the application interface. I was responsible for the UI UX design, while the other members focused on UML diagrams.
We have learned about Japanese for about 5 months. The first we learn katakana 1 to katakana 4 and hiragana 1 to hiragana 4. We learn to watch Doraemon using katakana and hiragana. In the second month, we learn the number 1 to 10 and memorize them. In the third month, we did that SIS XML, namely making a self-introduction using Japanese and the uploading it on YouTube. After that, in the 4 to 5 months, we studied the first noun, namely the fourth and second noun, namely jarimasen positive and dewa arimasen negative. The usually used in daily conversation in Japanese. Also, we have practical project that we have done, such as ojigi, respectful gesture perform. Ojigi divide into 3, namely esaku, bowing the body 15 degrees, is usai to thank you. Keliri, bowing the body 13 degrees, is usually used to aspect just is, and sekerei, bowing the body for 45 to 70 degrees, the body position of man and woman is this phrase. Every man have their hands connects their navel and makes sentence for two nouns, namely jarimase and dewa jarimasen.
In this subject, we learned about the leaders in Germany and also how to rate the leaders. In the next meeting, we learned greetings such as good morning in Germany, and also learned how to pronounce number in German. After that, we learned about introduction ourselves as well as our hobbies in German. In the fourth month, we learned about the names of days in Germany, and also learned notes. And the last material in this first semester was how to pronounce the actually in English it, so like a and an. And we learned sentences to answer sentences or theories with no and yes. Also, we had practical projects that we had done, such as reading number when Mr. Ibrahim mentioned a number in Germany, and we wrote them down immediately after being corrected whether they were correct or not. After finishing the quiz, we were asked to come forward and write down the verbs in accordance with other alternate subject. Then we played a game of quizzing names for the day so we could easily memorize them. During the midterm, we practiced individually to answer questions using German. Then there was the duty of creating notes as well. And we also practiced the question and would be tested before performing daily examination.